Staying with Rajasthan, that's clearly in the news today, and that's of course with again two Congress leaders. Former powerful Jat Congress Minister Mahipal Singh Maderna has been charged with murder and conspiracy in the Bhavari Devi case. So has a Congress MLA Malkhan Singh.
In the CBI charge sheet, 13 people, including Congress MLA Malkhan Singh and former Minister Mahipal Maderna, have been charged with the murder of Bhavari Devi, her abduction, destruction of evidence and a conspiracy to eliminate her.
The key plotters were Maderna and Malkhan, but the charge sheet reveals the web of sex, lies and deceit that finally ended with the killing of Bhavari in this pit.
It
all began with Malkhan's sister Indra Bishnoi getting Bhavari to make a sex CD with Maderna, then the water minister. The CBI says Indra Bishnoi wanted to disgrace Maderna and force him to quit so that her brother could get his job. Bhavari started blackmailing Maderna with the CD, but it was stolen from Bhavari's house and it found its way to the media. As the scandal exploded, there were two rivals with a motive to murder Bhavari. Maderna, who was fed up of Bhavari's blackmail, and Malkhan, the father of Bhavari's youngest child, another target of her increasing demands for money. In a dramatic twist to the original plot, Malkhan and Maderna got together to plot Bhavari's murder. Maderna did not know that his newfound partner in crime had actually plotted his downfall. The men who did the killing were Sohan Lal and Sahi Ram. Then the final act. Malkhan's sister Indra Bishnoi gets Bhavari's husband Amar Chand to file a complaint naming Maderna. With Harsha Kumari Singh in Jodhpur, Anusya Mathur for NDTV.
So another case where the CBI and the courts had to finally step in to at least get charges framed against one very powerful former Congress minister, and not just Congress, because as a Jat leader, he again, Mr. Maderna, commands huge support within his community. So does Malkhan Singh Bishnoi, with Kuldeep Bishnoi, a recently elected MP, writing to the president saying that his community was being targeted. Joining me for more on that tonight, I'm joined by Satyendra Raghav, spokesperson of the Rajasthan Congress. I'm also joined by Manvendra Singh, member of the BJP National Executive and former BJP MP from Barmer. I'm also joined by Mr. Karthikeyan, former CBI Director, and Kavita Srivastav, General Secretary of the People's Union for Civil Liberties. Thank you all very much for joining me. Manvendra Singh, finally some movement forward in the Bhavari Devi case, which happened only when courts intervened. Yet we've seen across political parties the condemnation of Mr. Maderna and of Malkhan Singh Bishnoi has been muted because of the caste they belong to. The CBI itself said in court just a few days ago that they were under huge influence because of the communities these people belong to.
I think the condemnation was universal. I think it's such a ghastly event, and what happened was unpardonable. So I think the condemnation was there, but I don't think CBI is above board on this. I don't think the CBI's case, my gut feeling, I'm telling you, and from the ground perception, I think there are loopholes in the CBI's argument, and I don't think it will stand much in court. So you don't believe that the people charged with murder will actually these charges will actually stand up in court? No, the people charged with murder may not have been involved in it. I'm not denying that. But the thing is, there are other events related to this. There are other evidence related to this. The common perception is that the police, whether CBI or Rajasthan Police, has actually destroyed a lot more evidence. There are a lot more CDs that were destroyed that have been presented in court or are going to be presented in court. This is a common perception. This is a public perception. And the CBI has to do its damnedest to remove this perception in order to gain its credibility. But do you feel there's a clear case made out against Maderna and Malkhan Singh or not? There is a case. There is an argument. I'm not sure if the evidence is there to support it.
The NDTV News app had redefined the entire genre. Now, another market beater. It's already hit #1.
NDTV Profit, India's #1 finance app. Download free at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Live stream of NDTV Profit, market news, and your easy-to-manage portfolio. Download now, ndtvprofit.com/apps.